You are free to replace me with someone else if I'm not bringing you the happiness you deserve. You have every right to be genuinely happy. I want you to know that I truly adore, love, and respect you, and I'd never betray your trust. Lately, things haven't been quite right between us. Honestly, I've been doing my best, but it seems it's not enough. I gotta be real with you. I can't give you something I don't have. It's like that story in the Bible where a guy asked Peter for money, and Peter said he didn't have silver or gold, but he'd give what he could. As much as I want you to be happy, I've realized I need to prioritize my own happiness too. It feels like I've spent so much time figuring out how to make you happy that I've neglected myself in the process. Letting you go would hurt, and healing will take time. But I believe in the end, I'll be okay. From the bottom of my heart, I want you to be genuinely happy. If I can't provide that for you, then please consider finding someone who can. You deserve all the joy and laughter in the world.